Today we're mixing up one of the girls' all-time favorite dinners, and it's one of mine too because it couldn't be any easier or any more fun. Walking tacos are the perfect thing to serve for a bonfire, Halloween, game night, and so much more. In fact, they're really easy to serve anywhere. One of the many things that are so great about walking tacos is not only are they quick and easy and make cleanup a breeze, but they're also customizable, which makes them a crowd pleaser. I love serving them when we're entertaining friends because everyone can serve themselves. They can grab a bag, fill it with their favorite toppings, and go. Each kid is so different, and so it's something that is perfect for picky eaters, even myself. I love lettuce on cold dishes, but not hot. So no need to set the table. Let's get started on this quick and easy and delicious dinner idea. We're going to kick it off by browning the ground beef. I normally like to use 93.7, but you can use whatever ground beef you have on hand, and I prepare it over medium heat. I like to use my mom's old-fashioned potato masher. It's perfect for getting it nice and broken up. Now as it's browning, we're going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. You can also use about a half of a taco packet. I like to use my homemade taco seasoning because it's made with ingredients that I already have in my pantry, so there's no need to purchase anything. And I'll link to that in the description below. As it continues to brown, I'm going to fresh shred the cheese. It's my secret to amazing walking tacos or tacos in a bag, whatever you'd like to call them. Now that it's browned to perfection, we're going to remove it from the heat. I like to fresh grate my cheese for the yummiest, creamiest flavor. Blocks tend to be higher quality than pre-shredded cheese, plus there aren't the added preservatives that dry it out. When you fresh shred it, it just literally melts in your mouth. Now you can use Colby Jack, Monterey Jack as shown here, and even cheddar cheese. Pepper Jack also works well if you want to spice things up. Now walking tacos are incredible with Fritos, Doritos, and so many more of your favorite chips. Of course, individual size portions are where it's at. Time to top them off and dig in. We like to top these off with lettuce, tomato, onion, sour cream or crema, or even lime crema, guacamole, pineapple salsa, salsa verde, and so much more. And of course, no taco is complete without cheese. I also like to use eco-friendly wood spoons or forks to serve them with. Thank you so much for watching. As always, you can get the full printable recipe in the description below. Don't forget to click subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.